Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, fresh tomatoes, which are the star of our dish. Don't forget 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic for a flavorful base. We'll also use a good quality olive oil, vegetable broth, and some basic seasonings like salt and pepper. A touch of fresh basil will elevate the final taste. Next, we'll prepare our tomatoes for roasting. Halve or quarter your tomatoes, depending on their size, and place them on a baking sheet. Drizzle them generously with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then season with a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, until they are tender and slightly caramelized. Now let's build the soup's rich flavor base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté until it's softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add the roasted tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes. Finally, it's time to blend and finish our delicious soup. Carefully transfer the soup mixture to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until the soup is wonderfully smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a little more broth. Stir in a quarter cup of heavy cream or milk for extra richness. Serve hot, garnished with fresh basil leaves or crispy croutons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.